you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup unboxings, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, makeup looks, just pretty much anything that's related to makeup and beauty and stuff like that. Today we're going to be doing another makeup unboxing. This is LASHY Box. It is a small subscription. It costs just $12.99 a month, and the shipping and handling is either $2.99 or $3.99. I have to look it up. I think it is $2.99, but I'll look it up and leave it in the description box below. If you would like to try it for yourself, I will leave the link below. And I don't even know what we're supposed to... I don't look at spoilers or anything like that. I did not open my LASHY box last month. I haven't even really opened it this month. It was like, I didn't get it until like December's boxes didn't come in until almost like, I think it was somewhere around 1st of January. And this one was like, the mail is like killing me. I'm not getting stuff. I ordered a pair of boots like a month ago and still have not got them. And if I am getting stuff, like, I bought me a razor to cut my hair, and I did not get the razors. I got the blades, but the razor was not in the package. It's been like anything to do with mail. It's been completely awful. In this one, you get like 3 to 5 pairs of lashes. Normally, I noticed you get about 4 pairs of lashes, 1 to 2 makeup items. It used to be 2 until they started like with their bigger premium box. So here's the inside. Like, we don't need that. Alright, first thing laying on top is Olivia. These are 3D silk lashes by LASHY Box. These are so cute. I really like these. These would look good with about any look. So I do like these. I like the angle. Okay, then we got the 70s palette. That is so cute. And it is by Rude Cosmetics. I do like Rude Cosmetics. They have a palette that I absolutely love. It's got some purples in it that works really, really good. Why is everything like taped up and I cannot open it? Okay. The colors so far that I can see are looking good. I think it's cute. It's small, but it's cute. So here is the palette itself. And it does have a little mirror. And then here is the colors. I love that. Okay, it does have the safety seal if I can get it off. I wish I had the other palette. It is like perfect. These are so creamy. Oh my god, these are like butter. Them, especially the shimmers, are like, they feel so good. Okay, first 4 colors in the first row. I love that red. That is like one of the best reds I've seen. The last one. Next row has got 3 in it. Them shimmers are like the creamiest things I've ever felt. The green. So far, I'm liking this. And the last one is this like pop-in hot pink, which I can see myself wearing. Okay, so I like this. Makeup with an attitude is what it says at the bottom. Try to make sure you guys don't see my clutter on my vanity because it is very cluttery. I am trying to work on getting everything straightened up and organized, but I don't know. I'm just not getting there. Okay, so these are by Cas Cosmetics. Or is that Cos? It looks like Cas. These are premium synthetic silk fibers, vegan and cruelty free. They are Cas Cosmetics, and these are Gemini. If you guys, I can barely see it. These are, love these. another pair. We got Cake. I absolutely love these. These are so pretty, and I like how they are. Anything I open, I always have trouble getting anything out. Okay, so I like the ends of these. I like the crisscross and how they are fluffy. I don't even think I have to cut these. So I love them. Okay, and these are Kitty, and these are the 3D Silk Lashes by LASHY Box II. So we got like 3 pairs of their lashes and 1 by Cas. These are Kitty, and I like these too. These are good for if you're going out at night, full face of makeup, a dramatic look. These would look good with the look I got on today. I got little lashes on today, which I thought was going to be big, but you can't really even see I got them on. So, love these. I think with a look like this, you really want something out there. Okay, they did send some glue. And clear for once. Normally they send almost like black or white. So this is, oh, I'm going to like this. Because I don't know if I'm going to buy one. I'm looking for a good microblade pen. This is the micro brow tattoo pen. It is by Lola. It's by Lola. And I guess it's in the color black. No, it's not. Ash brown. I just seen that. Okay, right here. I'm glad it ain't black. So, you can't even see that. But it's ash brown. And I had one. It worked alright. It didn't really. Maybelline, it didn't work that good. Okay. I don't know. You guys can't really see it. Looks like it's running together. But not in real life. My other one, I don't know. But I do like the color. I think the color's going to work out. You guys, you can see like lines. I try to make something. I couldn't do it. Let me see. I set my brow products over here a minute ago. Let me see. I had like 2 or 3 of them, but I just never end up liking them. No, it's in my other brow stuff. Okay. But I've been looking for like a really good one because I keep seeing like these, especially if I get on Pinterest. They like show these pins and these people doing their brows, and I'm like, oh my god, I want that, and I can't find it. Then every time I get one, it's like not what I wanted to, not like the commercials, but it's not probably gonna work that way, okay? But I am looking for some good brow products. My favorite thing right now is, I think, I've got one NYX brow pencil that's alright, but the Ill Make It brow pencil I got, love it, but it's almost out. And then I had one in the pot I liked really good, but I don't know, just like, I can't. And I got some of these that I like, but only for like days I'm doing like not a lot of makeup, but I don't know. But I guess that is it. Cannot wait to try that out. Can't wait to try the 70s palette. And I really liked everything I got. I think this palette is so cute. And the shadows are really creamy. I mean, they are like, when you touch them, it feels like they're melting in your hands. So I really like that. Love the micro brow pen. Love the lashes. 4 pairs of lashes for $12.99 plus shipping and handling. Really is not that bad. That's actually a really, really good deal. Even like if you're going to get Adele lashes, 5 pairs of lashes, I think are like around $10 at Walmart. So, really doing something like this and you're getting like different kinds of lashes with the Adele's, you're going to get the same things. It's just like 5 of the same lashes. So I really do like the like this description because I get a variety of lashes and they're reusable and you can use them for a while. But I'll leave the link down below if you'd like to try it for yourself. They do have different subscriptions. They have where you can get just all lashes, or you can get all not all, but they got like a bigger box to come with more makeup and stuff like that. But I guess that is it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.